Boom.
Alrighty. Cool. Thank you to horizontal is up. Yes, it is. Great. Let's get to work.
Yeah, I've got all settings are saving now
Perfect.
and applying.
From the main menu.
Yeah.
Why is there no horizontal stream? There is. If you go check now, there should be. Sometimes it just takes us a few minutes to get it set up.
YouTube horizontal is consistently a fight for some reason. Yeah, like I'll change every single one of these. Okay, sweet. So these are all different, all separate from the default. Full screen is already set to off because I've been saving that, but back. And I have it now so that the settings, every single time you change a setting, it saves it to the config file right away.
Perfect. I love that.
Versus like the game will save when you quit. Or we'll probably put like a timer in too to do like a minute or so.
We should
But
probably save anytime you pause too, right? Like if you just press the pause
that's
button.
a good idea.
And then maybe, I don't know, turn your computer off or something. So like save on pause, save every minute maybe.
Changing language is so cool like this.
Oh yeah, isn't that sweet?
Like I feel like this shouldn't be allowed.
It's so easy. Isn't that like bonkers?
Yeah. Like slightly changes the height. I don't like.
Oh yeah.
So these don't have. This must be set up wrong. These all set up wrong.
How does saving work? It's quite a process.
Subtitles is wrong. This is there's a typo in the translation.
Oh, in the English
For
translation?
English.
I spelled it wrong.
Subi titles.
That's super funny.
Saving.
Like
The way we're doing, yeah.
Go fix that quick.
The way we're doing saving is we have this game save load node that is a global, so it pops up on its own every time the game runs, and it saves to settings, get saved to this config, and then it'll make a save folder where it'll save a save file. And there's no like graceful way to do it. You really just have to go through your whole game and find everything that needs to be saved.
Yeah. And we're saving it as like a JSON file, right?
Yeah, it's like an encrypted JSON file.
Okay. Change area. Pick random track, same intensity for new area. Okay, so let's do that.
Oh, that works now.
Levels. Oops. How much work is it to add a couple more properties to the save file? Like if I wanted to save something for the music.
Not much.
Okay. I might. I'm not sure yet. We'll see.
Pretty easy.
Okay.
Okay. Pull up the Trello board.
Okay.
That's done. Created a config file, so I have correct. Connect game timer to fastest time, high score metric, and user save data. Create player save data to store settings, store progress, game overflow, control tutorial. At start, maybe a grabbing cave. Say that functionality is done, but I'm gonna come back to give everything a makeover. I just need the functionality right now. See if this actually just like flows. New game. Oh, I forgot I rebinded these. That's something I'll do right now. Tutorial screen. Label.
Area. Initial through the index of the. Oh, that index is not saved anywhere. Where is that gonna be? That index.
Do that in globals.
Directives. I don't really need to save audio files. Instead, I can save index. Set initial? No, just initial. Oh, there is a getter inside of that. Okay. Let's use this. Set initial. And set it to what now? Equips at index at reference to this? I think I do. No, I didn't. Okay, can music generator. Default to 1 and default to 2. Okay, then do a random trip. Yep, current intensity. 1. plus. Okay. Well,
Nice. Okay. And what should I call this? Second. Okay, go here. Invalid access.
I can switch to clip. Alright, see you later, Pixel Lover. Thanks for stopping in.
Bye.
And it's been almost.
Shit.
Hmm.
Actually saved. I didn't want it to save yet.
Hmm.
Actually.
Set animations to. Um. What is the for loop keyword to skip to the next loop?
Continue.
Continue. Thank you.
Nice.
Ooh, that looks nice.
It's gonna get nicer. It's a little laggy. Oh, that's not gonna work. Hmm. Hook that up. Okay, what is this? If the target directory is not empty, the operation will fail.
Can have been.
Think this will work?
Cat feeders just went off. I will be right back.
Mhm. Sure. Mm-mm-mm.
Alright, I'm
Okay.
back.
Hey, I think that should work. Let's check. So that is there. F6. New game. Haha. Nice. Huh. Does that look weird to you?
What is it?
When you get going really fast, it looks like the camera is like going stuttering down.
Let me take a look on my end real quick. Like, what do you mean stuttering down?
Like it doesn't. Like when you're falling in the air,
Huh?
it doesn't look like the camera is tracking exactly. It looks like it kind of stutters. See that? Or like it's like. Do you see that too?
Don't know. I'm trying to see if I can.
Oh,
Maybe
look at
it's
this.
not.
She is.
Can't tell.
Oh, I think I do see it, maybe.
It's kind of shaky
Yeah.
when you're falling. Oh, that was a huge lag spike.
Yeah, I
Oh.
see it. What happened?
A huge lag spike there. Wish I had this running. If only they could set that to auto start already. Oh.
It only happens when you're like, it happens when you're moving horizontally and falling horizontally very quickly.
Yeah.
But I definitely see it. I'm able to replicate it by popping out of creative mode while really high in the air, and moving fast. And there's definitely something. Hard to tell if it's the fish that's sort of like hitching or if it's the camera.
It's got to be the camera.
Yeah, because I guess the fish is. Well, that's not totally true. Could be fish. But but it's really hard to tell. I might have to reset up the camera debug points so we can take a look. Yeah, maybe add it to the Trello board here. Let's see. Are you adding it right now, or should I?
Yeah, I got it.
Cool.
Oh, I accidentally made an extra Trello thing and I can't delete it. Archive, whatever that means. Okay, let's set up continue. Did I already put that in here? That's not it. It should just work. Did I hit F6 or F5? Yeah, okay, cool. Ah! Did I put this in Scene Manager? Yes. Woo! Coming together slowly. Forgot to hook up saving. Is this the bug that, or the saving issue you fixed?
Yes.
Okay, I need to pull then. I don't think I'm going to push.
Yes, just pull, and it should be fixed.
Oh god. That's a lot of changes.
That you've made?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Git commit. Whoops. Ooh. What's up?
Hello, welcome to the stream. Let's make a new duplicate of this and call this ocean. So this one, stop this playing. This one needs to go here, turn off. Switch these values. 80. This 0.
Oh wait, this is gonna break. Fix it itself. Nice. I didn't need to restart the new save.
Oh, cool.
Okay, I'm going to save. Quit. Okay.
Okay, good. I have the two animations. Now I should be able to test them. Oh, I should probably make a start animation. Ocean. And we'll key this guy up. Yep. We value that on 80.
Okay. Okay, it's saving. We're saving. We can do that. All right. Let's make end game screen.
Make a start music. Music. An area. Starting. And always default intensity of 2. And then okay. I think perhaps that is all of the code written.
Nice.
We'll see. I haven't tested any of it yet, so we're about to find out. Or at least I haven't tested any of the transitional methods. Tested anything else. Tested the setup. Let's put a breakpoint there, see what happens, see what we get. Big dictionary, ocean, here. This one did not get added because this is still there. So what is the last? 42. Silent. this again. Let's see.
Black cap chickadee. This is a weird bug that it's not necessary that we address, but I'm curious if you know why the buttons in the debug menu do not work anymore.
I don't know.
Okay.
I just have not been using them.
Neither do I, but I was trying to set up some buttons to test the functions of the music player, and they also do not work. I'm gonna turn on debug mode to get my mouse visible. Which is interesting.
Yeah. What all did we want on the final game screen? Like, I'm thinking I'm just gonna do like pretty much like the pause menu with the middle.
Middle of the pause menu.
Yeah, I think I'm so kind of like have the information, probably put time at the top.
Yeah.
It'll have like a little thing if it's like a new high score or something.
Sure.
And then like a website button, a wish list button, and then I was thinking like a new game, then main menu, quit to desktop.
That sounds great to me.
Anything else we want to put in here? Maybe like a thanks for playing message or something.
Oh yeah, that might be nice. We also do have the narrator say thank you for playing too. So yeah.
Just put like a little thing. Right at the top. some water.
Okay.
Oh, sing us a song, piano man. Sing us a song tonight.
All right. Just do it by hand.
See my background?
What is? Oh, it's game screenshot.
Yeah, from like forever ago.
Oh yeah. Huh.
Oh, you can't really see the tile set, but
Yeah.
a little bit. It's very old.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Okay. Let's lock this in. Okay. Let's lock in. That's right. Okay. I need to add that to this. I think. Do you think we should allow the player to re-watch the tutorial somehow?
No. I don't
Just
think
one
so.
timer?
It's
Okay.
it's 2 buttons.
Yeah. I'm gonna put it in the player save data then.
Okay. Yeah.
Player save data.
Well, won't that get reset for a new run though?
Oh, you're right. Okay. Put in settings. So I guess if they wanted to, they could set it back to
Yeah, they could reset the tutorial.
um, version. I'm going to put this in game. Tutorial viewed. It's going to be set to tutorial viewed. Cool. This is a game setting.
This does not work the way that I thought it was going to. Okay. Good to know.
Viewed. Set tutorial viewed. Yep. Load from config. Set tutorial is viewed. Config.get value game tutorial viewed Settings default. Game. Tutorial. Viewed. Get settings. Nice. Okay, that should do it. And then the way this is gonna work is we will set tutorial view to false. Maybe once a game loads in, once game manager loads in.
Sure. Yeah.
So we know that they have a save now, so they can hit continue.
Yeah.
Load in player data, and then we'll do boom. And then from the main menu, we want new game, transition to scene. If game save load dot settings dot if not tutorial viewed, I'm going to hit this scene transition else scene manager dot transition to scene game manager screen screen something like that, whatever. Should just work. Let's delete saves and settings. See what happens. Make the settings. Let's read them. Game tutorial viewed equals false, correct. Okay. Now we hit new game.
Ocean texture.
Load in through here.
Ocean texture.
This mouse should not be visible.
Ocean texture. Ocean texture.
Percussion. And just picked a random. Should pick a different one this time. I got it working. But right now it's just, instead of music, it's just clips of me saying the name of the audio.
Get the save.json. Save.json.
Ocean texture.
groove.
JSON.
Oh yes.
Ocean texture.
groove.
Nice.
Sweet.
JSON. And then settings.
I should test all the other methods too, shouldn't I?
Yes, please.
Let's see.
Gotta test all the unhappy paths.
Yep. Okay, so that's button 8. Let's check button 9.
Good night, Chicago. Alright, so right now, our settings are true. This should skip the tutorial. Nice.
Does the loading look smooth?
Yeah, and this I basically took the flow from this Reddit post I found of this guy,
Cool.
giving his as an example.
Yeah.
I didn't implement. He had some stuff to implement, like a loading bar and stuff.
Sure.
So I kind of want to, because especially for the hitting new game,
Yeah.
loading in the game can take just like a couple seconds. So not even a couple seconds, like 2 maybe.
Yeah.
Just put like a spinning salmon.
Mm-hmm. Nine.
And then it.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Cool. Let's try running this. Ocean texture groove. Ocean texture groove. Ocean texture groove. Ocean texture. Ocean groove. Ocean texture. Ocean groove. Ocean texture. Ocean groove. Ocean texture. Ocean groove.
Actually, I'm curious.
Ocean texture. Ocean.
Oh, crap. I know there was a bug with loading with resource threads. You're supposed to be able to get a progress float, and there was a bug in 4.2, I think, where at least a while ago when I tried it, didn't work. So let's see if it works. Not really. It returns two values. 0.5 and 1.
Okay.
That is so unhelpful.
You could have it just be a like lerp to 5 and then lerp to 1, so it gets stuck at 5 and then gets stuck almost at 1, and then when it hits 1, it lerps to the end.
I mean, pretty much all loading bars are like that.
Fake. Yeah, make it fake.
No real way to know.
Let's go through and test beach texture. Okay. Beach texture. We're going to change area to ocean. So beach texture groove. 4. Beach texture. Beach groove. No. Beach texture. Beach groove. Beach texture. Beach groove. Stop. Beach texture. Stop beach talking. Groove. Beach texture. Beach groove. Beach texture.
Oh my god, it's so annoying. But I need to take a photo of this error.
Beach texture. Okay.
Jeez. This is written the damn music and put it. Okay, invalid access to property B, line 119. So B, I'm trying to access area B. That called it. Wait a minute. Okay, we gotta try this again because I just called Q for some reason. I wanted to do change area. Unless I called the wrong method somehow. Zero, one. Zero's rent. It's not, it's been 3. Whoops. Just change it. Ocean texture. Ocean texture. Ocean texture. Ocean texture. Ocean texture. Ocean percussion. 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 Put in some print statements and figure out what's going wrong.
That's okay. Okay, I was working on Endgame.
The animation player doesn't play. That commented out. That's why nothing was happening. That would explain quite a bit.
Yep.
When I was setting up, when I was like outlining that method, I was like, okay, this is the line where the animation player will do its thing, but I'm going to comment it out now because I don't have the variable to give it yet, and I don't want an error, and I just got to remember to uncomment the line with the new variable once I finished writing the method, and I never did.
Ocean groove. Ocean melody. Ocean groove. Ocean melody. Ocean melody. Ocean. Beach percussion. Beach percussion. Beach percussion. Groove. Beach percussion. Groove. Beach percussion. Beach 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 percussion. Beach percussion. Beach percussion. Beach percussion.
Grab and stop that. Audio. Okay. So it's saying playback on an audio stream player. Oh, it's streamed up playback, don't I? Okay, I got area transitions working nicely. Let's set up the random transition, randomization.
Yes. How did I do that?
Ocean texture. Ocean melody. Ocean texture. Ocean. Beach texture. Groove. Beach texture. Groove. Beach texture. Beach groove. Beach texture. Beach groove. Beach texture. Beach groove. Beach texture. Beach.
Where I get switch to track. Get stream playback. That's what it is. Get stream playback. So, audio stream player. So don't need the stream. Red. Alright, let's try this.
Ocean groove. Ocean melody. Ocean groove. Ocean melody. Beach texture. Beach melody. Beach texture. Beach melody.
Center.
Beach melody. Beach texture. Beach groove. Beach melody. beach groove, percussion, beach melody, beach percussion, beach percussion, beach percussion, beach percussion, beach percussion melody, beach texture, beach melody, beach texture, beach melody texture, beach groove, beach melody, beach groove, beach melody, beach groove, groove, ocean groove, ocean percussion, ocean groove, ocean percussion, ocean groove,
Anchors
ocean
center.
percussion, ocean groove, ocean percussion,
Anchors center.
Shh. Did I pass it?
Let me mess with me, bro. Okay, let's change the width to like less than it is high. 1700. That's so annoying. Okay. Now what about this one? So 20.
Oh my gosh, it's not QID, it's QRs. Ah.
Maybe I should just use the same one. I feel like I'm overloading the pause menu, but I think it's okay. I think that's the easiest. Okay, that's what I'll do. I'll do a quick test to see if this would actually work. Okay. Where's Game Manager? Demo level.
Ocean
melody.
percussion. Ocean melody. Ocean percussion.
Goals,
Ocean
game over.
melody. Ocean texture. Ocean melody. Ocean texture. Ocean texture. Ocean
Submit a signal.
Melody. Beach groove. Beach melody. Beach groove. Oh, beach melody. Beach groove. Beach melody. Groove.
Key 0 on a basic
Beach
type
melody.
dictionary.
Beach groove. Melody. Beach groove. Beach melody. Beach groove. Beach melody. Beach
Intensity
groove.
0.
Beach melody. Groove.
Okay, dictionary area.
Beach melody. Beach groove. Beach melody. Beach groove. Beach
Has an
melody.
intensity of 0.
Beach groove. Beach melody. Beach groove.
So for some reason. Oh, you know what I can do? Wait a minute. These, I'm going to set these to all go to the music bus, and I can then turn down the music volume. Own voice will not be so loud.
Connect this to game over and end game manager.
Ocean groove.
And connect this to
Ocean groove.
end game manager.
Percussion.
Dot
Ocean groove. Ocean
game
percussion.
over
Ocean groove.
dot connect to
Ocean groove.
on game over.
Ocean groove.
That is all you have to do.
Ocean groove. Ocean groove. Ocean groove. Ocean groove.
So
Ocean groove.
it's probably super annoying for anyone who might be listening to this stream. I'm sorry.
Ocean groove. Ocean groove.
But luckily they're like
Ocean groove. Ocean
Subject
groove.
dictionary voices is set to S.
Ocean groove.
Link of cue parts is from
Ocean
Raytown
groove.
2.
Ocean groove.
Oh. No, we should just
Ocean
do
groove.
if,
Ocean
this
groove.
should just be
Ocean
if.
percussion. Ocean groove. Ocean percussion. Ocean groove. Ocean percussion.
Stop. Cue parts 2. It's yes. Yeah, this is one of the more complicated ones anyway. So start music works, and changing area works, and random transitions work. It's just the cue we need to check.
That's safest. That's safest. Pause menu dot pause pressed. Honestly, we'll do funk. Yeah.
Ocean melody.
Display.
Ocean melody.
Ocean
Texture.
over.
Ocean melody. Ocean
Texture.
melody.
Screen.
Ocean melody.
Texture. Type
Ocean melody.
Ocean texture.
Ocean melody.
Intensity.
Ocean
Texture.
melody.
Ocean
Ocean melody.
Texture.
Ocean melody.
Ocean texture.
Ocean melody.
Ocean
Ocean
texture.
melody. Ocean melody.
Texture. Dictionary.
Ocean
Beach.
melody.
Ocean texture.
Ocean melody.
Ocean
Ocean
texture.
melody.
Intensity. What's current intensity?
Ocean melody.
Texture.
Ocean melody.
Oh, we never said
Ocean
current intensity.
texture. Ocean melody.
Y dot x equals 700. X equals 700. X equals 700. X equals 700. Menu container. Size. X equals 700. It's gonna do one of two things. This is gonna shrink it and not center it, or it's gonna shrink it and center it, or it's gonna, I guess it could do nothing. Ugh. I don't want to be in the
Ocean texture.
It did exactly what I thought it would do. Oh wait, something debugger angry? Oh. Now I remember it that day when I looked up.
Ocean melody. Ocean melody. Ocean melody.
It's my work.
Ocean melody. 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 Diction. Ocean melody.
What the heck?
Big dictionary. I know. There's a beach key, and then a key of 2.
Kind of like that.
I need to cast this to an int, don't I? Ocean. Okay. Actually,
Hold me.
grab that key.
Say down. Now you're down, baby. I should come meet her. Okay. The bow is true. Self-modulate to 0. No. No. We'll do this right. So we come in here.
Ocean texture.
If we set this,
Ocean texture.
transform.
Texture. Ocean texture.
Nope, that don't work.
Ocean texture.
Margin container. Set this.
Texture. Each or GNPT texture. Ocean groove.
It's gotta be the menu container.
Ocean groove. Ocean texture.
Set that.
GNPT texture. Ocean groove. Ocean texture. Ocean is. Ocean texture. Ocean groove. 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 Ocean texture. Ocean texture. This current area is ocean texture. Ocean texture. Ocean texture. Each current intensity is 4. Ocean texture. That's what I thought. Cued intensity.
What? Oh, I don't want to do this. Okay. We got a YouTube subscription 39 minutes ago?
Oh man, didn't even see it.
Hey. Hidden bot.
Hidden bot. Two in the zone.
Yeah. I need to take a mind break for a sec.
Okay.
Be back. Walk around.
Yeah, sounds good.
Ocean texture. Ocean texture. Ocean texture. Each texture. Each texture. Each texture. Each texture. Ocean melon. Ocean texture. Ocean melon. Ocean texture. Melon. Ocean texture. Ocean melon. Ocean texture. Ocean melon. Ocean texture. Ocean ocean texture. Ocean melon. Ocean texture. Ocean melon. Ocean melon. Ocean melon texture. Cool. Okay. This works. I'm gonna delete this testing node. I could just make it invisible, I guess, and disable it. Maybe I'll do that just in case I need to do more testing. Disabled. Okay.
I'm back.
Manager. I think music manager is done.
Really?
Well, there's no music in it yet, but like but the code is done. And the way it's built, all I have to do is replace the audio files with music clips of the same name, and we should have a interactive music system.
Nice.
I suppose there's the only thing that it doesn't do on its own is it does not start playing on its own. So something somewhere has to tell it to start playing. I might have the player do that once the player is like fully loaded in. Because it needs to have a starting like area basically, or a starting area to go off of. So
I need to do some serious surgery.
on what?
I want to change. I want to put a margin container at this top level.
Uh-oh. Oh, God.
So, yeah. I am going to go through to each of these and just give them a unique name. All the ones I need, and then I'll just pull it right over. It'll take 5 minutes.
Okay.
But, note to future self. Yep. So access as unique name. Nice. Easy. So what are you gonna transition to now?
writing the music.
Oh, yeah, I forgot there's that too. Good thing January has 31 days.
Exactly. And I don't actually have that much music to write because of the way the system is built. All I need to do is write a single phrase and 4 different parts of that phrase, or like 4 different voices, and then it'll be able to create endless arrangements of that phrase. Of different.
Just gotta make sure they sound good.
It's just gotta sound good.
That's the good part.
And I think I'm gonna reuse some of the music or some of the ideas from like some of the trailer clips that I wrote. But yeah, I gotta make it so the player can start the music. But let's see, globals is loaded in as a global, and the music manager is a global, right? Or is it not?
Yeah, it is.
It is. Okay, so that means it'll exist before the player does. Perfect. So we'll just go to the player and have the player unload, grab its current area. Oh wait, what does it know? Is the demo scene, is the built-in script for that the same as the main game scene?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So I can modify that script and it'll work in the demo scene?
Theoretically, I'm not sure how built-in scripts really work for that, though.
That's a good point. I'll try and avoid it.
If you need to, you can, and we can copy-paste it.
For sure.
Yeah. I mean, effectively, game manager is the same as main game, like, kinda. Like, game manager is always loaded in when main game is loaded in, so you could do stuff in there too.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? No, I'll do it in the fish, because the fish has an update environment sound, and I can use that to update environment music as well. DDME sound. Let's say. Just say music manager.
Yo, this, working on this like this, just like pretty much literally like wake up to go to bed reminds me of robotics. Like just like the just like completely takeover.
Yeah.
Complete takeover of like everything, and it like I don't know. The burnout's gonna hit.
Well, that's the thing. We get this demo out, and we can like take a few days to rest, right? But because basically all we have to do once the demo's out is send emails to like content creators, so we can like spend some time perusing the internet for a couple days.
Yeah,
before we have to write any code, you know.
Yeah, theoretically, once this is out, all that's left to do in the game is kind of just level design, and all the systems are already there, and maybe like make some more assets.
Right. Yeah. Level design. I mean, is the art for the rest of the? I mean, the last
Almost.
area. Yeah, the last area needs art and music for the rest of the game too. But yeah, it's mostly art stuff. Change area. Let's see if I can start it without having it already started. Didn't like that.
Let's get high. Knife me some time. Ourselves got to fall to sleep. So let all to fall asleep. What is this? Sound a master volume slider.
I think I used the keyboard.
You know, sheep are rolling in the mud again. Oh, it haunts me now.
Cave. Oh. Did I make a cave area? I did, didn't I?
Cut it up just like the red light in the blue. Got it. Wasted in the tendrils of time, my baby. You know, only one less than it's time.
Oh shit. And then
The streets
character.
ready for
Just ambient sound.
haunts me now.
EMV sound. Ocean. And let's add the lake environment sound too.
Skin. Holding it up. Oh, it haunts me now. Oh, my home. Haunts me now. Freedom was paid in blood. Wait a minute. Ah, there it is. And the blue. Oh, access via unique name. Menu buttons. Okay, we're almost there. Zoom game button. Contains for different menus. Yeah, do I actually know where these ones are? Pause buttons, V-Box. Oh, that sounds like Fortnite! Menu buttons. And another change. Rediscovered. Rearranged.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, now.
I'd be on the traffic lights, make me a star. I'm gonna need these two as well. Now, we'll grab that on ready var. Game display. Thought I heard something weird. Bag of time, I lose my mood. I'm not menu container. I lose my whole life. I want to. Transition animation things. What else do we need? I need one more. Okay, I'm good to make margin container now.
Nice, that was quick.
Yeah, so all I want to do is add one as a child of this. And game container, yeah, we're deleting you. We are going to use the same one for all this. Just hide things. I'll put one in here. We're going to go full rect. Okay. Time I lose my own mind. Oh, it was set to 1700. I think 900. So by default, that is 1920 is 220, so 110. And then 900 versus 1080 is 280. Doesn't make sense. This should all be the same. It looks like too much. Let's do 80. Like 80. Oh. It's not all the way out of screen now. Change that. I know about your error. Go away. Animation player. I want to animate. Uh-huh. I want to animate it as a margin container, bro. Wait, unless I can just... Can I just say... yeah, I want to take off an extra 200.
Keto ice
Nothing
cream.
like keto ice cream. I ate all mine. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I don't have to make a different animation for this. Wait. So we're setting that position. Yeah, okay. Okay. Transition in. That's fine. Animation, new. End game transition in. And we need to decide on what this is gonna look like. What if we did 380? 380. Why that's shooting out the sides. Why is this popping out? Good evening, Loki Trickster.
Hey, Loki Trickster, welcome to this Twitch stream.
Okay.
How are you doing today? That's...
Something with this V-Box container. Alright. Nice. That's how I feel.
Nice. Let's see. Yeah.
This is full. This is full. Why isn't this full?
Music. Your name. There we go. That should do it.
Something in the V-Box. It's not that. Not that. It's the leave buttons. This margin right.
Okay.
I'll fix that later. Okay, back to what we were doing. Let's find a good size, like 500? No. 600? We agreed. That's a good size. So we'll go from 80 to 600. And then we'll play a new animation.
Start with
Wait. I can literally... That is insane. Can I can put my animation player to animate the margins to shrink it as part of the animation player.
Mm-hmm.
And just have it be done in like 0.1 second or something.
Ocean texture. Mm-hmm. Ocean
That's
texture.
crazy.
Ocean texture. Ocean texture.
How long is this one last? 0.2 seconds. Okay, so we'll set this to 0.2 seconds. Guys, the animation player is so cool.
Oh, look at this.
You should definitely
spirit.
not wait till you're almost done with the project to play around with it.
Okay. Ooh. Music player's all hooked up. It starts properly. It'll start based off of whatever area you start in.
Nice.
Okay. Right. I'm not going to push all those because then you'll have a music player that plays my voice overlapping itself, saying different things over and over again, and that's not what you want. So I'm not going to push this until I got actual music to put in there. Okay. Turn my piano on. Let's get to work.
That is not working.
Go here.
Ah, that's why I'd snap on.
Okay, we're gonna open up the Reaper. Sharp white cheddar Cheez-It grooves. You're welcome.
Your addiction.
They're so good. Best snack food ever created. Probably ever. And there will never be one that is better.
That's my favorite snack food. I've been eating a lot of nuts lately out of necessity. Like there's a joke there. We keep having recipes where we need like quarter cup of like peanuts or like cashews. And so you have to buy like a whole bag. And so it just becomes my snack for the week. It's a healthy snack too.
The music, okay, wait, here's something I need your opinion on. In the music player, I was going to have some sort of timer to say when to randomly adjust the music, right? If something isn't happening, then I want some timer to be going. And once that goes off, then we randomly adjust the music, right? How long should that timer be? How long between music adjustments?
I don't know, like
30 seconds? Is that too little? Too much?
I guess I'd have to hear what the music sounds like first.
The music is probably going to be about 4 measures of a repeated track. Maybe 8 measures. So 30 seconds might be 2 or 3 repeats of this phrase before moving on to a new variant of it.
Yeah, I think try that and see how it sounds. I have no opinion without hearing it. I think my initial thing was like the normal length of a song. Like, I don't know, 2 minutes, 30 seconds, but I think that'd be too long.
I think that'd be too long, especially because the music is going to be pretty short and repetitive, and the part that'll make it interesting is the fact that it could be randomly variant, I think. So we'll start a timer here.
And we'll set its wait time to be 30 seconds.
That's right. How did I do that?
The music as you progress through the level, it adds more elements to the music, bass, drums. So we do have that sort of. Each environment has 3 different parts to the music. It has melody, percussion, texture, and groove. And the intensity level is determined by how many of those 4 things exist in the music at the time. And the music will have specific cues. So if I want to set the intensity to a certain level, then I can do that. And there's a function to call where you set a cue and the music will adjust to that level and to that variant. But then I don't want it to stay at that forever. So we also have some random variants where it can step up or step down in intensity, basically randomly, and it'll choose a new random variation of the music. And that whole system is already in place, so I just need to put the music in there now. So let me make that timer real quick and then pull up my music song.
I can key visibility too.
You can key any property.
I can do this like almost entirely with the animation player. This is crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my mind is blown. I need to fix this transition in. Okay, blah blah blah. Get off that. Stop. Get off the animation player. Animation. Yes. Delete that. So here we want to key margin container. Actually, key the margin container right there. And then here we want to key it 0. Why are you different right now? Like, the heck? Okay. Whoop. Alright, that's transition in. Transition out just plays backwards. End game transition in. Oh, we have to hit this. Key that, and then we want to key it's gonna look like that. So then we want to key gameplay display box.
Timer will fire when it needs to. Pick a variant.
So key it in, key it out.
What's this?
Wait a minute. Why you?
G.
Is this incorrect? No. Why is this doing this? I think it's just. Can you see my screen?
Let me see. Let me pull up Discord real quick. Okay, what are we looking at?
So this is my end game transition in.
Mm-hmm.
Sets it up for transition.
Yep.
And then I'm planning on just playing it backwards to send it out. So like, whoop.
Yep.
But when I play it backwards, it reappears before they hit reappear.
You need to put a key at the end that sets their initial position, I think. Their initial state. Is there you should have a key at the end that starts them as
Hidden.
hidden. Yeah. Because the default state of this object is to not have them hidden.
Mm-hmm.
That's my suspicion.
It's weird that, like, I don't know why this other stuff doesn't. Huh. I don't know. I'll do that for the rest of my things too.
Yeah.
Just to make sure. Margin container key. This wrong margin container. Yeah, that's totally it.
Cool.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Anything else need to do? So these will be head. Ugh. Can't change this, right? What do you mean I can key the? Key text. My mind is so blown. This ability will key that. Unkey that. And then we'll also unkey that there. And we also want to change restart run button. We want to key the text. And point 1, we want to change this text to new game. So cool.
Yeah, you could totally make a pretty slick UI app all with Godot. Or use Animation Player for all of it.
And, give me like a million. Every reason. I despise UI now.
Why? Because you aren't using control nodes, maybe?
I feel like he has delved into control nodes. I don't know. You tell us, Pixel Lover. It's become more passionate. Crime of passion. I killed the control node. It's... So... What? What should the title of our end screen be? Like game over or like demo over or like game over feels like negative connotation.
Yes, shouldn't be game over. Demo complete.
Okay. Nice. Okay. I'm going to rearrange these a little bit. Run info label. See, we need. This doesn't need to be in there. It has its own margin container now. It's like 500 or something. So I thought. Can't do that. Wait, I totally can. Maybe don't go down to 0. Maybe like.
squared C equals
Okay, so that's what I called it, right? Yeah.
Do we play Zelda? Pixel Lover is asking.
I play Zelda. I played. I played A Link Between Worlds.
Hmm.
If that counts. I played a tiny bit of Breath of the Wild. I played a tiny bit of Majora's Mask. That's it.
Yeah, I played a bit more than that. I played a good chunk of Twilight Princess. I played a little tiny bit of Wind Waker. I played a ton of Breath of the Wild. And a fair bit of Tears of the Kingdom too. What else? I played any of the others? Oh, I mean, I played like the original, like on NES. I played that one quite a bit too. For funsies. What's your favorite Pixel Lover? Twilight Princess. Twilight Princess is a good one. It is pretty awesome, I agree.
What would I say my favorite game of all time is?
Favorite game of all time is a tough call.
Um,
You could pick just one.
yeah, you can't pick a series. You have to pick one game.
Of all time? Does it have to be like...
It doesn't have to be like the one that I think is the best, most comprehensive
No, it's like-
video game of all time. Just like my
It's like
favorite.
subjectively your favorite game.
Hmm.
I mean, if I open Steam,
Yeah.
my Steam hours are not reflective of what my favorite game is. What game have I? What did I say? I've like had the most fun in.
Mm-hmm.
Dredge was a lot of fun. Dredge definitely. I mean, Inscription is such a cool game.
Yeah, I really need to get through that one.
Launcha's cool. Stardew's cool.
Yeah.
Is it bad that I want to say Minecraft?
No, I think Minecraft is totally valid to be up there with the greatest of all time. There's a reason that people love it the way they do, right?
There's like no game that I've played over a longer time span and that I've always like come back to.
Yeah.
Like I think it has to be Minecraft for me.
Yeah, that would make sense. I think.
Goated game.
Yeah. I think what I would say. What does my list tell me?
I'm very happy that Ace Bright took over my top played game. It's not CS:GO anymore.
Yeah.
Shoot, run foreground.
My notes app is just filled with like game pitches.
Your notes app?
Yeah, that's anytime I'm like, hey, that might be a cool idea, I write it in my notes app and I write a couple paragraphs about it. Okay, here are my top 10. Let's see, which one would I think the best game of all time? Oh my god. How do I pick my favorite among any of these? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I can eliminate that one. And that one. I've got it down to 3. I don't know if I can bring it down to any less than that.
What if I can guess them?
Okay.
And I think I want to guess your final one. I think I have a prediction.
I don't know what I would. I would say the game that means the most to me is probably Journey. That game I think has had the greatest impact on my life, I think. And
Yeah.
so I would say that one, at least that one means the most to me. But the other two that I think are giving it the run for its money are Portal 2 and Outer Wilds.
Wow. My top pick wasn't even in your top 3
What was it?
for you. No Man's Sky.
No Man's Sky is on the list. It's in the top 10 list. But
Okay.
I don't think I love No Man's Sky. And I love what it is and I love its story and what it's become. But fundamentally, I don't think the game it's a really cool piece of tech. But like
You
mechanically,
don't think it's that good of a game?
No, I do think it's a good game, but it's not a type of game that I love. Like, I'm not super into base building and survival games. I think they can be a good time. Like I really enjoy playing Minecraft and I really enjoy playing The Forest, but neither of those are in my top 10, you know?
Oh my goodness, Pixeliver.
Oh man, you're missing out on like the greatest fine art this world has to offer.
Granted. Wait, what did you say your top 3 were?
Journey, Outer Wilds, and Portal 2.
Okay, I've played Portal 2. Have not played Journey, and I've played an hour of Outer Wilds, and I think I got motion sickness. But I've been meaning to go back.
Outer Wilds is just it's just the game. It's just the game. You
Yeah,
gotta
but
play.
don't look up anything
can't-
about Outer Wilds.
Don't look up anything about Outer Wilds. It's a game you go in blind and you just experience it. Same thing with Journey, really, I think. I think Journey is a game that you shouldn't really read about and you should just play. Journey's nice because it only takes 2 hours, if that. It's one sitting, and it's more of a audio-visual experience, I would call it.
I'm gonna add. What's the easiest way to disable like the fish from moving? Because like I think what I want to do is like you jump into it, but I'm not gonna pause the game.
You're
And
gonna
I
lose
want
control.
I want to keep inputs in case people are using it for like navigating the menu, but I don't want the fish to be able to move anymore. Like I want to stop checkpoint, I want to stop swim left and swim right. And I have a global game over that gets set to true when I want it to be stopped.
Okay, I would just go in, and any time that you're checking for an input, add and not game over.
Okay.
That's what I would do.
Check that. Unless I see the trailer.
Most I see the trailer. Yeah, that's fair. I think that's a good way to go into a lot of games. I think it's tough because some games, like, you want to know what you're getting into and if it's something that you'll enjoy, right? Like, I don't play a lot of first-person shooters, really, but occasionally I do like them. But it has to be the right kind of first-person shooter, really. And so I'll usually read about it, or maybe read some reviews or something, or listen to some reviews to see if it is something that's more up my alley. So I do think there is benefit to looking into games because it's money that you're spending on them. They cost money. But Outer Wilds is an experience, and Journey, especially because it's cheap and short and easy. Outer Wilds is mechanically just a little more involved, but Journey is just an experience that anyone can enjoy or participate in, at least. Kind of like that. Let's try that. All right, let's go here and let's
Oh, this is wrong. I should have a game manager game over. Oh my goodness, I'm just realizing. We set a lot of variables in globals that persists between saves. And on a new game, we're gonna have to reset everything.
What do you mean? Like what?
I don't know. Like I was just doing this globals.game over, and I was like, oh, when am I gonna reset this? I was like, oh, it's global, so I'm gonna have to reset this when we hit new game. And then kind of got me thinking, I wonder what other multitude of variables we're gonna have to reset. You know?
Do they not have like a default value?
They do, but globals doesn't get deleted.
On new game?
Yeah, globals persist.
Oh.
So I'm like, in terms of like scope, I think we should be like putting everything that's connected to a single run in Game Manager. And then globals references Game Manager, and if you want something, you ask from Game Manager. You know?
Yeah. Yeah, that makes more sense, doesn't it?
Yeah, make it a lot easier. Well, I'm gonna put globals in here, then I'm gonna deal with that if that's an actual problem.
Okay.
I think it's going to be, but
Yeah.
where's Game Manager? Wow, keep up to that. Game over equals true. And then we want to do character controller, find all the spots where I just wrote game over. It's like a recursive find and replace.
Hmm.
Because I'm looking for game over and I'm replacing with game manager dot game over, so it's always going to cycle and find itself.
Oh yeah.
How funny. I'm just going to scroll now, see what I missed. Focus, if breathing, and not globals game over, okay. And not, okay, if input action, just press quick save. And not globals game over. And not globals game over. Not globals. Screw creative mode. We have to make sure we remove creative mode.
Yeah. Funny if we left that in there.
Adding it to the Trello.
I mean, we should just like rip out the whole debug menu, right?
Yeah, I mean, we don't have to, but we just need to remove the control input.
Yeah.
And then we can leave the code and everything. Like, I mean, people like, I don't know, when I was working on the app for my internships, like, only difference between debug mode and prod was a variable.
Okay.
And so they like push the same stuff, same code. Son, tell me you're the one. Yeah, I've like been reading a bit, and I've kind of stopped reading the back of books.
Oh, really?
I will. I'm looking for a book. I will look to see kind of like similar books, and if I've read any of those or like those, I'll pick that. If I like the author, I'll pick that. I'll look up like genre recommendations without any descriptions or spoilers. It's just kind of fun to go in blind. Because like I feel like a lot of the back of books, or like the premise, they like reveal the whole premise of the story. And so the first like 100 pages, you like already know what's gonna happen most of the time.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's always the case, but kind of noticed that.
Yeah.
Oh, I can add this. Wait. Is this the code for changing the sprite? Set sprite from input?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. I made okay, yeah, that makes sense. So it does, if input is action pressed, change to swim up. If it's move right, swim down. So if you ever are holding left and you're tapping right, it'll never switch to right.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I have this log ass section here.
And that will
So
fix
it's
it.
like, yeah, so it's like if you just pressed,
Mm-hmm.
you switch it to left. If you just press left, you switch to left, because you can't hit both on the same frame.
Uh-huh.
If you do, I guess you go to this, but if you just hit right, you go right.
Mm-hmm.
If you just released left, but you're holding right, switch to right, I'll switch to default.
Mm-hmm.
If you just released right and you're holding left, switch to left, I'll switch to default, and that's it.
Okay, cool.
Copy paste code. I love. Never heard of a method. I'm just gonna put a big, if not globals. Actually, I'm just gonna put this here. If this whole thing doesn't need to run. Globals.game. Manager. Driven. Game over. Return. Guard code. That's a cool pattern almost. Instead of nested ifs, you just do guard code with returns.
What? Like a
It's
like a switch statement?
Kinda. It's like this idea that like if you have a bunch of logic
Mm-hmm.
and you're like returning a value, instead of like nesting everything,
Mm-hmm.
you like just start checking. So like here, instead of like nesting this, like if not globals.game over and then put everything one level deeper,
Right.
I just say if game over, just leave.
Oh, okay.
I watched a video of some dude who like, it's kind of crazy how much nesting they stop,
Yeah,
and it looks a lot nicer, I think.
it's cool.
So okay, I don't need these anymore. Body spray.
Okay. I don't. Let's make that a little more cyclical. Yeah. See. Whoopsies. These are supposed to be all.
Left is up. Yeah, okay. Right is down. I don't know why I did that. That's really confusing. Goodness. I don't think I broke anything. See. I got no. Yeah. Oh. Oh, that was a big lag spike. No.
Oh, that's pretty slick.
Apparently I didn't turn off the controls.
Well, you can still move though, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Almost got the flow set up. Why didn't that hit? Game manager. On game over. Character controller. Physics process. Oh. No, that's right. This logic is, this needs a parentheses. So it's this and that. If not, so if game over is false, let me make sure I do all this logic correctly. Move this forward. That is correct. Already? Yes. Yes. And, yep. Yep. All ands, that works. And that's the one I fixed. Yes, alright, that should do it. Go take me back to the... Oh, I need to remove mouse. Remove mouse. When continue or stress test this. Nice.
Wait a minute. What?
Oh, watch this. Wait, you can just spin forever because you keep getting velocity off the wall.
That's funny.
Yeah, I don't think we need to address that at all.
No.
It's kind of funny. Let's go up here.
Oh, wow. That was close.
That was a skip. Oh, I made that so much harder. I made all these skips so much harder.
Yeah.
Oh, no, no, no. I could have saved that. Dunked.
Dunk.
Ah.
Are you trying to play through the whole loop?
Oh, I just tried. I don't know. I was just playing.
Oh, okay.
I guess I do need to play through this. So I was actually testing. Nice. No inputs.
No inputs. Nice. Yeah.
Now you're here, and I have not implemented.
And the game
Did any-
isn't paused right now, right?
Nope. Music's playing. Narration keeps going.
Cool. That's good. I think because we have an ending narration line too that like thanks you for playing the demo. That'll play over
Sweet.
this.
Okay, let's hook up those buttons now. How do I want to load that? Yeah, okay. Pause menu. Main menu. Quit. Yeah, unquit menu button pressed. I think I just do scene manager. Transition to scene and main menu. Let's just get a reference that in here. I don't know what's gonna happen there. Restart run button needs to. Transition to the same scene. Delete the save file, transition to a new scene. Does that already do that? Game manager, do you delete your save file? No. So I need to say game save load, delete player data, and then instantiate. Restart run button. Game save load. Dot delete player data. Scene manager. Dot transition to scene. Okay. I just hooked up a lot of stuff. There are going to be issues. Oh, I fixed that bug. Holding left and tapping right, that's done. Oh, we need to make a little credits run.
Honestly, I'm not even sure it needs to be a run. It
Just
can
a pop-up.
It can just be a pop-up, I think.
Yeah. What do we want to put in it?
We should probably put our names. We should put Godot engine.
Yup.
We should put. I'd like to credit everyone who edited the script. I want to credit our narrator, but I want to ask her first. Because I have this like weird fear that like if the game blows up and like her real name is in it, that like people will try and look her up or something. And she's kind of a private person, so I don't really think she'd want that. Which I have this because like I really want her to be credited in it, but at the same time I don't want to.
Yeah.
I don't. Yeah. So I'm gonna ask her about whether or not she wants us to put her name on it or not.
And so I'll ask her about that. And then I don't know, what else? What do you think? I mean, I think we should probably thank our partners on there.
Yeah.
Trying to think of anything else like that we need to credit. What have we used? All of the, we're using Godot. We're using some sound effects, but all of those are CCO, so I don't think we need to give credit for those, and I haven't really been keeping very good track. I don't know, like I guess if we wanted to list out like what we did, we could do that, but that feels like it feels like kind of getting in the weeds.
You don't need to do that. Just say we could. Nah. Say
What?
we could. I was just trying to think of other like things, like Seattle Indies came to mind, but we didn't really do that much with them.
Yeah.
But we could, if we wanted to do.
Yeah, we haven't really done any. If we get into any like festivals or anything like that, like we could put thank you to like people running those festivals for sure. Depends on if we get into any of the Day of the Devs events, which we got to submit that on the 3rd as well.
Maybe I should lower this one. Should this be this hard? Or do we want to make this easier?
Nah, I think it should be tough. I think it should be representative of the real game.
Yeah.
Oof.
Gosh dang it. You can't fall all the way down once you're on this.
I think yeah, it's pretty tough too.
Yeah. Alright, let's test main menu. Oh, it worked!
Nice.
First try. That's insanity. That is crazy. Oh, okay.
Yeah. So is this the global variables that'll need to be removed or moved somewhere else?
Yep. Yeah, look at this. Invalid access to property key. Key elapsed on a base object of type previously freed.
Oh man.
So game timer got deleted, but we're still trying to access.
Dang.
Yeah, so okay. Ooh, this is gonna be a lot of
Wait, so anytime we use globals, it needs to be moved to game manager?
anything that is in globals that is in a node that is below game manager, so I think almost everything needs to be moved to game manager so that it gets freed when game manager gets freed.
So that means every time that we call the globals.scale factor.
Yeah. Well,
Or can that stay in globals?
not necessarily, because that's like that's actually a global. Like that is a const, doesn't change.
Yeah.
I think that's okay. But anything that like we set has to be moved, I think.
So mostly it's like
I don't think it's gonna be that hard, honestly.
it's like
It's
the
just a big
fish
like
and
revision.
then all of the like systems that kind of assign themselves a global just need to assign themselves a game manager object.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, this is good. This is good.
Yeah, I think
I can like.
what day is today? Thursday?
And then Friday?
I don't know. I've stopped updating my countdown. I'll update it now because it makes me nervous. I have
Let's see.
days until GDC, and I don't know if this is still correct, but I have 46.
Oh gosh. Man. Build adaptive music system. Oh hey, I can move that over finally. Jeez, that took a long time.
Moving stuff. It's getting kind of small over there.
It's getting kind of small. We got a few more days. Okay. Do you think we're gonna get to the leaderboard? Probably, right?
I'm really gonna try to.
Okay.
Like I'm kind of committing to it.
Okay. I do not anticipate us getting to multiplayer this weekend. I'd really like to, but I'm gonna finish translating the UI, making this press kit. Create a wave transition. What is this?
What? I add little notes for myself on here. Oh, this was another thing I was gonna add. I was thinking because right now I just have a fade in, fade out, and I think that's really good for a transition for the first time you ever play the game because it fades into a black screen.
Sure.
But it could be cool to do like
like
I don't know, some like water themed transition with like a little shader that moves across the screen.
Yeah.
And then I wanted to right now I'm gonna change the control nodes to look better, but this actual image looks a little flat.
Okay.
And I wanted to maybe because we have this image without upstream, right? We can pull upstream away into a new layer.
Yeah.
We could if we put like a water shader on it, like to like refract it, like a refraction shader, could look really cool, I think.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
And we could like put a shadow of it, like make like a
Drop
same
shadow.
image, offset it a little, and then put the exact same shader over it. It could look pretty cool.
Yeah. I agree. Yeah, and then I have to the salmon sense. That's the other thing I want to do this weekend is to build whatever that new system is going to be.
Yeah, that's kind of the other big one in terms of functionality.
Yeah.
Got a lot of little things I want to hit still. Like this, I'm not happy with the salmon berries yet.
It would be nice if there was a little like popping animation when you collected them.
I want them to feel a little more alive, and I want them to have an animation for when you collect them.
Yeah.
Okay, let's log back in. We have like 6 minutes till 5.
6 minutes till 5. Although maybe we should stay a few minutes in case we get rated at 5:02 again.
Yeah.
Although it's been a few hours, I might need to stand up and take a break for a few minutes at 5 here.
Yeah. Your call. I'm going to globals. So are any of these being set? Well, I'm just gonna make a commit real quick in case I royally screw something.
Sure.
Commit -m. About to hit the global with a gritty. Hopefully this is... I don't think these exports are ever used because you can't access them in editor. So these are just
Well, I might have been like still using them, but just not as an export variable, right?
yeah. Seed, random seed, okay. Gonna like... So these are consts, so these can definitely stay. Random seed, this is a const as well. That can stay. Zoom val. There's no zooming anymore, right? Should I delete this?
Zooming. Oh yeah, that's not used at all anymore.
Okay. I wish you too. We're not using these anymore.
What are these?
All my sine wave stuff.
Yeah, probably not.
We're using your
We're using a noise function now.
Areas on screen. We'll move that. Scale factor does not change. That's a const. Game resolution is also a const. Audio buses. Oh, these are consts. Okay, it's actually not that many things. This can go. Set controller is connected. Set controller connected. Set controller mode. Get simplified device name. These are all... I think these are okay. No. These are referencing globals that will need to be set elsewhere. So this has side effects. Set controller connected. This has side effects. This can stay in globals. Because this just takes in a string and returns a value from a const. So these need to move to game manager. Game manager, you're getting a bit of a glow up, buddy. Kill that. Kill that. Kill that. Oh, here we go. I need to go even further.
Wait, so are you just deleting everything and then you're just gonna run it and find every error to replace the reference, or?
Pretty much. Pretty much. I'm gonna let the errors tell me where to go. Full screen. These export variables, are these set?
Salmon are
where the
truly
errors of the
remarkable
exports aren't
creatures.
gonna show up.
At the end of their lives, salmon will return to the place where they were born to lay their eggs and die.
Yeah. There we go.
But
No,
how do they
those are
know
not set
exactly
in
where to
editor.
return to?
So I can
The smell
move
of their
those
home
export
streams and
variables.
the surrounding waters is imprinted in their memory. However, smell alone is not enough. Salmon also use the magnetic field of the Earth itself as a compass to guide their way home. But navigation is only one of the many challenges they face. Take a look at this salmon. Sturdy, stalwart,
Don't need that.
brave.
No, we do need this.
She is deep in the ocean, and
Oh,
the time has
game
come for her
manager.
to find her way home. We join her for the
It's
end
the one
of
that
her
we
journey.
do want to put.
It is
in
essential
globals.
that she succeed in order to bring life to the next generation.
Um,
Normally, salmon will make this journey in large groups, but she is alone. The odds are against her.
and we'll put
Salmon
a
do not tend to last long without a run. But she is sturdy and
funk.
stalwart and brave.
exit tree. We'll set globals dot game manager.
This is where things will
equals
start
null.
to get
That
tough.
should
She
prevent
must
any
now
errors.
make her way inland.
Because we'll
A multitude of
manager will queue
challenges
for
and
it.
discoveries await in the journey. Interesting. She rises from every setback. Anyways, as I was saying, a multitude of challenges and discoveries await in the journey ahead.
game over has two. We'll delete one.
Look at her go.
Globals dot
Things do not always
subtitles.
go as planned. A multitude of challenges and discoveries
we
await in the
can
journey ahead.
Change subtitles just to pull from this. There's subtitles. This an on ready.
Oh,
I do
is
on-
there a button in our pause menu for a bug report form?
I can put one.
Is it? Or I guess is there
I
room
had-
for one?
Yeah.
Okay. So I was thinking that might be nice.
Mm-hmm. Do like a. Could get rid of the website and just what I can do is I can change this to be bug report, and then it takes you to the website
Oh, perfect. Yeah.
and it's bug report form.
Yeah.
Okay, game viewport. This an on ready. Global's main game. On ready. Bar. Main game. Node equals San Francisco. This main game. There it is. Okay. Globals.endgame manager. No, this is just gonna be we'll have the reference to endgame manager in here. Globals.set controller connected is now in here now. So there's that controller connected. Global scale factor is good. Actually get a reference to pause manager in here. Wait. Is this pause manager or pause menu?
This new crab, I'm trying to play through here. This new crab obstacle is really giving me trouble.
Oh, it's hard.
Yeah.
It's doable. It's definitely doable. It's hard though.
Yeah.
I don't want it to be easy. Like,
Oh my god.
I don't want to watch. Oh no. Oh, you're in the water body of despair. You have to be so, if you want out of that, you have to be really gentle.
You have to be really like gentle and deliberate, like about what
Yeah.
your movements are.
If you like watch it come down and then count to like, if you like watch it come down and then count to like 2 and then go.
Gotta have a good angle first.
Yeah. Oh yeah, do we want to make those platforms below the crab harder?
I was thinking about that, and I think we could do it. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
All right.
oh, he gave you the bump. That was crazy. He gave you a little bump. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh man, that was tragic.
Oh no. You gotta like catch yourself with your nose.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh. Oh, that was close. Almost slid right in between there.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Give me some motivation. Oh my god.
Almost killed the bird.
I feel like I'm noticing a little bit of pitching occasionally.
Too much.
Right there, yeah. Something happened just now.
There was a lag spike.
Yep,
Should
right
put the
there.
profiler on.
Yeah, it happens when falling down
It is.
from that area. Okay.
Oh no.
Oh, there was something though. Let's take a look at that.
Yeah, what is that? What is script functions? Maybe?
40 milliseconds? Process time.
Which one is it?
Hello, Oswald. Welcome to the desk.
Hide the like highest level one. Yeah. Is it process time?
Yeah, it's process time.
What is running in process time? Is it in the script functions?
These are all.
This is it?
No, wait. I don't think you're on a frame anymore. Are you? I don't see your frame thing. Oh.
Yep, 9 past it. It goes all the way up to 40 frame time.
Click
40 minutes.
click script functions. Turn that on and then turn off process time. Is the spike still there?
No.
So it's not script functions. Wait. Is this the right spike?
Wait a
I think
minute.
this is after you pause the game.
No, I don't think. But we can try it again. Here, we'll clear. Clear this up. Let's unpause. Game is
Maybe-
running. Profiler,
yeah.
visual profiler running. Okay.
I've noticed there is a lag spike when the game
Huh?
unpauses.
Every fall
Okay.
is but a temporary
FPS
setback.
dropped there a bunch, but
A
visual
multitude
profiler's
of
winning.
challenges and discoveries await in the journey ahead.
I'm down to 50 now.
What? Wait, okay, let's check out the profiler.
Okay, Oswald, you're in the way.
Yeah, you're above 60 there.
Water body. 6.2 milliseconds.
6.2?
The new border is 4.18.
Whoa.
This one, what is this? 406, the water spring. That's the physics, the water spring physics goal.
406 is a lot.
Get spline, it's calling 386 times.
Mhm.
Camera controllers, just under a millisecond.
I don't know. We don't have to spend time on it right now. We should keep working on what we're doing because generally, like, this could just be my computer running a little hot too. So
Mhm.
I wouldn't worry about it for now.
We'll add a note to the Trello just to check performance.
Yeah. PC is better. Uh-huh.
I don't understand. This is a PC. Or are you saying because it's a laptop, it's not a real PC?
Oh, look at this. With every struggle, she gets stronger. A multitude of challenges.
Okay, wait, that's not supposed to happen. It's repeating the last said line in the narration. Yeah, it is. A laptop is a PC. A portable computer.
That's so funny.
Like, how do you quantify a PC? Does it have to be running Windows? Or does it have to be a computer that stays on your desk? Because there are Macs that stay on your PC. I forget what they're called, Mac Pros or Mac Homes or something. Would that be considered? I don't think that's a PC because it's running Mac OS, right? A desktop is a non-portable PC. Desktop computer. Because the thing is, they're both PCs. PCs don't refer to... I was making a joke when I said portable computer pixel lover. Their PC just refers to a Windows computer, as far as I know.
I don't know what the actual like definition.
The abbreviation is for personal computer.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh man.
It's interesting.
How am I gonna set all these?
Need to make a ticket for that for the creator. Narrator. Repeating last main line after action. Cool. Alrighty. Something about the reaction. Reaction triggered, plays. And then if interrupted. Oh, maybe because interrupted never got set to false. That's probably why. Huh. No, it's default to false. Should be true. Have to look into that more. Okay, I'm gonna close up the streams here and take a little bit of a break.
Yeah.
Come back to do a little bit more. We've been at it for basically 12 hours today already.
Yeah. Yeah.
Could use a little bit of a screen break.
Yep.
Well, if you're still with us, thank you so much for watching and tuning in this evening. We appreciate your time. If you haven't already, go wishlist Upstream on Steam. The demo is coming very, very soon.
Yep.
So be on the lookout for that. Feel free to join us every day from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific time on Twitch and YouTube for live stream development. Have a good night.